Yesterday, my close friend sent me a long birthday message written entirely by AI.
Oh dear, how did you react when you noticed it was generated by software?
I felt a bit sad because a real message should come from the heart.
I understand your reaction, but maybe your friend was just nervous about writing well.
That could be true, but simple words from a friend means so much more.
Live and learn. We are all trying to adapt to new technology these days.
Speaking of technology, another friend left our group chat without saying a single word.
That must have been a surprise for everyone remaining in that online group conversation.
Everyone was so confused and wondered if someone said something wrong to make him angry.
Leaving quietly like that can accidentally hurt people and create unnecessary bad feelings.
Exactly. A quick note before leaving is always the polite thing to do online.
Last week, I invited a colleague to have lunch together, but he suddenly ghosted me.
Oh no, did he reply to your text message or call you back later?
No, he just disappeared completely and never mentioned the lunch invitation ever again.
Ghosting people like that is becoming a very bad habit in modern dating and friendship.
If someone is busy or not interested, they should just speak honestly and clearly.
I completely agree. Honesty is always better than ignoring people and staying completely silent.
Have you ever seen people wearing headphones while paying at the grocery store checkout?
Yes, I see that almost every day when I go shopping for food items.
Cashiers work very hard, so taking off your headphones is a sign of basic respect.
A warm smile and a polite hello can easily brighten up their long workday.
That is so true. Small polite actions can change a person's day for the better.
Last month, I attended my cousin's wedding in the city center with my family.
How was the party? Did you have a good time with your relatives there?
The party was nice, but some guests were busy filming TikTok videos all night.
What a reaction. They turned someone's special day into a personal camera studio instead.
Yes, they blocked the view of other guests while standing right in the middle.
People should focus on celebrating in real life rather than showing off on social media.
Meeting face-to-face is always the best way to build deep human connections.
Another annoying habit is reading a message and leaving it on read for days.
I know that feeling. It makes the sender feel neglected and completely ignored by you.
Even a short reply like "I am busy now" helps ease their worried mind.
Communication tools are meant to bring us closer, not create cold distance between us.
Step by step, we should remind ourselves about good manners in this digital age.
Yesterday morning, I accidentally dropped my phone while rushing to grab a bus.
What a relief if your screen did not crack into pieces after hitting the floor.
Fortunately, it survived without a scratch, so I did not lose my data either.
That was lucky, but it shows how dependent we are on our mobile phones.
We look at our screens while walking, eating, and even talking to our close friends.
Putting your phone away during meals is a simple rule for good social etiquette.
When we listen actively, our friends feel valued and truly respected by us.
Exactly. Active listening is much more important than just scrolling through short online videos.
Do you think social etiquette rules have changed rapidly over the past few years?
Yes, new technology brings new situations that our parents never experienced in their youth.
In the past, people only cared about bad words or cutting in line at stores.
Today, modern rudeness happens through a screen without saying a single noisy word aloud.
That makes it harder to notice unless we actively pay attention to our habits.
I once sent a voice message that was 5 minutes long to a busy friend.
Oh dear, long voice notes can be very hard to listen to during work hours.
She told me gently that short text messages are much easier for her to read.
That was good feedback. We should always consider the context of the receiver first.
I learned my lesson, and now I always ask before sending long audio clips.
That shows great awareness and care for your friend's schedule and daily personal life.
What should we do if a friend constantly posts private photos without asking us?
We should talk to them privately and express our feelings in a calm manner.
True, a private conversation can solve the problem without causing any big public drama.
Respecting personal privacy online is another crucial pillar of modern global digital etiquette.
When everyone feels safe and respected, online spaces become much more enjoyable for all.
Sometimes people overshare their personal problems on public social media platforms for attention.
that can make their online friends feel uncomfortable and unsure how to respond properly.
Keeping private matters offline is often a wiser choice for personal emotional peace.
Live and learn. We all make mistakes as technology continues to change our habits.
The important thing is that we remain open to learning and improving our behavior.
By practicing empathy every day, we can avoid being quietly removed from social circles.
That is so true. Nobody wants to be secretly isolated by their close friends online.
So what is the first step we should take to improve our digital etiquette?
Step by step, we can start by putting our phones down during face-to-face chats.
That is a wonderful start that will instantly show respect to the person opposite us.
Secondly, let us write our own heart messages instead of relying heavily on AI tools.
I will definitely try that. Genuine effort always matters more than perfect computer words.
And thirdly, let us always inform our friends before exiting any shared online chat group.
That simple notification will prevent misunderstandings and keep group friendships healthy and warm.
Small changes in our daily routine can create a much kinder online community together.
I feel inspired by our conversation today. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with me.
Thank you too. Discussing these topics helps both of us become more thoughtful modern citizens.
Let us remind each other whenever we fall back into bad digital habits in future.
Deal. Good friends always help each other grow and learn every day in real life.
Now let us enjoy our coffee together without checking our mobile phones at all.
That sounds like a perfect plan. Cheers to meaningful face-to-face conversations today.
Cheers. Let us enjoy this peaceful moment together and stay present with each other.